Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to create Airbnb account. To start this tutorial, make sure you already have the Airbnb mobile application. Once you have it, tap on it. Then in here, you will choose whatever option you want to use to create your Airbnb account. In this case, I will be using my email. Go ahead, input your email. Once done, click on Continue. Then in here, you will need to add your info. From your first name, your surname, your date of birth as well. Once done, create your own password. Make sure you're the only one who knows this, and then click on Agree and Continue. In some cases, it will say your password is not strong enough. Make sure you create a pretty strong password. Then click on Agree and Continue. After a few seconds, a pop-up will appear, then click on Agree and Continue. And there you have it, you're now part of Airbnb. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.